Neanderthals pioneering food processing 125,000 years ago. Imagine a time long before modern cooking methods. Neanderthals in central Germany had already mastered the art of food preparation more than 125,000 years ago. A recent groundbreaking study reveals that they used an ingenious method to extract fat from the bones of large animals using water and heat, a technique that provided them with essential nutrients. But here's where it gets fascinating. These ancient humans weren't just dealing with the basics. They demonstrated sophisticated skills in nutrition, planning, and managing their resources. The research, featured in Science Advances, was a collaboration among experts from institutions like Monrepo's Leibniz Center for Archaeology, Leiden University, and the State Office for Heritage Management and Archaeology of Saxony-Anhalt. Their findings provide compelling evidence that Neanderthals were not only adept at cracking bones to access nutritious marrow, an ability shared with early human ancestors from Africa, but they also crushed the bones into small pieces and boiled them to produce bone grease, a valuable, nutrient-dense substance. Dr. Lutz Kindler, the study's main author, emphasized, the level of organization and strategy involved was impressive. Neanderthals managed their resources meticulously. They planned their hunts, transported the carcasses, and processed the fat in dedicated zones. This clear understanding of nutritional benefits and efficient extraction illustrates a significant leap in their cognitive abilities. The Neumark-Nord complex, revealed in the 1980s by archaeologist Dietrich Mania, is a unique interglacial ecosystem. Subsequent excavations between 2004 and 2009 uncovered different areas of Neanderthal activity, from hunting and light butchering of deer to processing straight-tusked elephants and extracting fat elsewhere. Among the discoveries were the remains of 76 rhinos and 40 elephants, providing a comprehensive glimpse into their habitats. Neumark-Nord's true distinction lies in its preservation of a diverse landscape, not just a singular site. Prof. Will Robieux from Leiden University stated, "We're observing an array of Neanderthal behaviors across this rich environment. The depth of these findings suggests that Neanderthals possessed advanced cognitive abilities and a knack for environmental management that likely had lasting effects on the ecosystem during the last interglacial period." Could these discoveries shift our understanding of Neanderthals from merely primitive to highly sophisticated? The Fat Factory at Neumark-Nord challenges us to rethink their legacy. Are Neanderthals not just survivors of harsh environments, but also strategic and mindful planners of their future? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below.